In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom transparent Steam profile. This is a fun and creative way to personalize your Steam experience, and I'll be guiding you step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Steam account using your credentials. Once you're securely logged in, we'll proceed with customizing your profile. Next, make sure you've opened the Steam application on your Windows computer. This is where all the magic will happen. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Steam profile. Simply click on your profile name in the upper right corner of the Steam interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you directly to your personal Steam profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile option. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you can modify various details about your Steam account. Among these options, you'll see a section labeled Profile Background. Right below this section, there's a link to the Steam Points shop. Tap on the Steam Points shop link, which opens up a page showcasing numerous background options. These backgrounds are what will allow you to achieve the transparent look on your profile that we're aiming for. On the Points shop page, navigate to the profile list where you'll again find a variety of backgrounds to select from. Browse through the selection and pick a background that catches your eye. Each background will also display the number of Steam points required to make a purchase. It's important to note that these backgrounds need to be bought using Steam points, and once purchased, they cannot be refunded. So, make sure you really love the background you choose before finalizing the purchase. After you've picked and secured your background, it's time to bring it to life on your profile. Simply select the new background, apply it, and voila! You now have a custom transparent background on your Steam profile to showcase to your friends and the gaming community. And there you have it, enjoy your newly customized transparent profile on Steam. Remember, personalizing your space makes the gaming experience all that more unique and enjoyable. So, have fun with it! Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or share it with your friends. Happy gaming!